Hi, I'm Dimitris Kapnopoulos, and I'm a 3D graphics engineer. After a lot of hard work, R&D and innovations, I couldn't be more excited to introduce Odyssey, the first aftermarket 3D car infotainment. Symbolizing the journey, what makes Odyssey so unique is that from day one, we deployed it on this car. Let's have a look. So, engine is on. Let's have a quick technical introduction. This is a 9-inch display. It is running on an NVIDIA Jetson Nano. Since safety is a top priority, software is written in the Rust programming language. And here it is, a 3D visualization of the car. We have a custom Vulkan based renderer, which I wrote myself. And so this version has two features. First one, headlights. Headlights on, you can see them here. Headlights off. The second feature is parking camera. You can see the animation, the video stream here. Go back. So that's it. I hope you liked it. I hope you are as excited as I am. Thank you very much for watching.